Do you ever wonder how your phone knows what you're going to type next? Or how does your favorite streaming service recommend the perfect movie for you? The answer is machine learning. It's the backbone of modern artificial intelligence, and it's all around us. Today, we'll show you 10 amazing ways machine learning is making your life easier every day. Number 10. Email spam filtering. How your email service provider knows which messages are spam and which are not. The answer is machine learning. Email spam filtering is the process of identifying and blocking unwanted or malicious emails from reaching your inbox. Machine learning algorithms can analyze the content, sender, subject, and other features of an email and assign it a spam score based on its likelihood of being spam. The higher the score, the more likely the email is spam. By using machine learning, email service providers can constantly update their spam filters based on feedback from users and the latest trends of spam emails. Number 9. Face recognition. Face recognition is the ability to identify or verify a person's identity based on their facial features. Face recognition is widely used in various domains such as security, social media, entertainment, and education. For example, when you upload a photo to Facebook, the platform can automatically detect and tag your friends' faces using machine learning. Number 8. Product recommendation. Have you ever noticed that when you browse an online shopping site, you see a list of products that are related to your previous purchases or searches? When you watch a video on YouTube, you see a list of videos that are similar to your interests or preferences. These are examples of product recommendation, which is the process of suggesting items that a user might like or need based on their behavior, profile, or context. Machine learning algorithms can analyze the data of millions of users and products. Number 7. Speech recognition. Speech recognition is the ability to convert spoken words into text or commands. Machine learning is essential for speech recognition, as it can learn to recognize and understand different languages, accents, dialects, and contexts. For example, when you say, "Hey Siri" or "OK Google" to your smartphone, the device can activate its voice assistant and listen to your voice using machine learning. Number 6. Sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is the process of identifying and extracting the emotional tone or attitude of a text, such as positive, negative, or neutral. Sentiment analysis is widely used in various domains, such as marketing, customer service, social media, and politics. Machine learning is crucial for sentiment analysis, as it can learn to analyze the meaning, context, and tone of a text and classify it into different categories. For example, when you write a review or a comment on an online platform, the platform can automatically detect and display your sentiment using machine learning. Number 5. Image captioning. Image captioning is the task of generating a natural language description of an image, such as what objects, people, or actions are present in the image. Image captioning is a challenging and fascinating application of machine learning, as it requires both computer vision and natural language processing skills. Machine learning algorithms can learn to extract and recognize the features of an image and generate a coherent and relevant caption for it. For example, when you use Google Photos, the app can automatically organize and label your photos based on their content using machine learning. Number 4. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are vehicles that can drive themselves without human intervention, using sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence. Self-driving cars are one of the most advanced and ambitious applications of machine learning, as they require a high level of perception, decision-making, and control. Machine learning algorithms can learn to process and interpret the data from the sensors and cameras, such as the road conditions, traffic signs, pedestrians, obstacles, etc., and plan and execute the optimal actions, such as steering, braking, accelerating, etc. For example, When you use a self-driving car, the car can automatically navigate and drive you to your destination using machine learning. Number 3. Music generation. Music generation is the process of creating original music compositions using artificial intelligence. Music generation is a creative and artistic application of machine learning, as it requires a sense of melody, harmony, rhythm, and style. Machine learning algorithms can learn to analyze and synthesize the musical elements and patterns from a large collection of songs and generate new songs that match the desired genre, mood, or theme. For example, when you use Spotify, the platform can automatically create personalized playlists for you based on your listening history and preferences using machine learning. Number 2. Machine translation. Machine translation is the process of translating text or speech from one language to another using artificial intelligence. Machine translation is a useful and practical application of machine learning, as it can enable communication and understanding across different languages and cultures. Machine learning algorithms can learn to encode and decode the meaning, grammar, and style of a language and generate a fluent and accurate translation for it. For example, when you use Google Translate, the platform can automatically translate text or speech from any language to any language using machine learning. Number 1. Facial expression recognition. Facial expression recognition is the ability to identify or classify the emotions or moods of a person based on their facial expressions, such as happy, sad, angry, surprised, etc. Facial expression recognition is an interesting and emerging application of machine learning, as it can provide insights into the psychological and emotional states of a person. Machine learning algorithms can learn to detect and analyze the facial features and movements of a person and assign them an emotion score based on their intensity and duration. For example, when you use Snapchat, the platform can automatically apply filters or stickers to your face based on your facial expression using machine learning. Similarly, when you use Emotion, the platform can automatically measure and improve your customer satisfaction and engagement based on their facial expressions using machine learning. Machine learning is a powerful and versatile technology that can enhance and transform our lives in many ways. And that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed watching it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. We have more amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.